we welcome you to Tech Textile India hybrid demo session. My name is Divya Patel and I'm from the project team of Tech Textile India. As trade fair organizers, we understand the significance of networking and staying connected, and therefore using technology as a new business enabler. And with extreme delight, I welcome you all on board for this hybrid demo session today. Please note we will be addressing all your questions and concerns at the end of the session, so please wait for it. Now that everything is in the new normal mode, so is this year's most comprehensive trade show on technical textiles, non-wovens, fibers, yarns, and machinery. And like yourself, the industry players, you will find it more attractive to interact face-to-face as well as find buyers on the physical and virtual platform. I'm sure you'll all know the story so far. In the last 7 editions of Tech Textile India, the graph has only moved upwards. With more than 192 exhibitors in the last edition and more than 4,500 trade fair visitors, the show has only grown bigger and better. With 88% of the exhibitors telling us they were able to close a sale after the show. So I think that's a good number. Now, while the entire world was grappling to the current situation or the crisis of 2020, where we had to practically slow down, today, while we are opening up trade, a few concerns are becoming a hindrance to our businesses, isn't it? Like, you will ask, where is the opportunity? How will you meet the customer with all these travel restrictions, which keep changing every day? Overall market sentiments are low. And is it true that these buyers are still buying? I get that a lot. But with no solution at sight, we are all feeling lost at this game. But I would say not really. As everything is going digital, it's more imperative in today's scenario where we have practically witnessed this change over the last 1 year. Haven't we? I'm sure everyone now knows this. Right from the weddings to buying basic necessities and even signing $1 million deal, it's all happened digital in the last 1 year. Then why not exhibitions? So in 2021, Tech Textile India is bringing you this new business format. We are happy to launch the Tech Textile India hybrid version, which means you're going to have a physical exhibition as well as a virtual event alongside. So basically, when you confirm your participation for a physical exhibition, you get the virtual as a value add. Isn't that great? And what you can achieve out of this is you will be able to capture your audience both physically while you're at the show and virtually on this platform, which we're going to talk about more a little later. The physical exhibition is on schedule. It's happening from 1st to 3rd of September 2021 in NESCO, Mumbai. And this digital version is an extension happening on the same dates. Today, I'm here to resolve all kind of queries you may have about this hybrid version. Now, there are multiple questions you may have, like why is Tech Textile India going hybrid? What's in it for me? What are the features? Are there international companies coming in? As well as how is this platform different from any other platform you may have experienced in the last 1 year? So we're going to look into all of this at length today. Great. Great. So I'm also going to very quickly take you through this small poll where you just get to understand how well versed you are with a virtual exhibition. There's going to be about a 15-second period where you can answer the questions and then we will roll it out on the screen. I would suggest everybody please participate. We need to know. Okay, we're just waiting for the answers. Great. So more than 50% have been a part of a virtual platform, which is great. So you all know the benefits, you all know the options, you all know what this looks like from an interface perspective. Well, our hybrid platform is a little different. It's very user friendly, and I'm going to give you some key benefits of what this platform will do for you. So, of course, the number one being you will connect with your buyers who can't make it to the show because of the travel restrictions. You will have a wider reach because at one point, there'll be multiple people on this tool, so you can connect with everybody. There's unlimited product listing, so you can have your entire showcase on this virtual platform. Everything that you do can be listed here. You can have one-on-one meetings as well as conduct masterclass, do a product launch, do a live webinar, do a demo, show the visitors your factory if you want on a live, video recording. Everything is possible on this platform. How are we going to achieve it? So we have a wide range of sales partners that are spread across 153 countries, and you can see the presence of Tech Textile. It's a global presence. So we're going to use all the tools that we have to make sure you get the right kind of buyer at this event. I'm also going to talk in brief about some key features of this exhibition. So there's artificial intelligence and business matchmaking. Like I mentioned, you can have unlimited company listings, your product listings. Treat this as your personal website or your personal web page. You can make it as and how you wish. There's going to be real-time interaction, so you real-time know what your client wants, and you can deliver it real-time. There's going to be lead generation and much more. My colleague Sonam will take you through the live demo of this platform to get a better understanding of it. So over to you, Sonam.
Hi, thank you so much, Divya. I will quickly dive into a platform, which is the platform for Tech Textile Virtual. Just for reference and just for demo purpose, I'm going to take you through one of our forthcoming exhibitions, which is Automechanica. It is going to happen in the same format, like the hybrid format, a physical show in conjunction with the virtual event. So I'm just going to share my screen. Yeah. So before I begin, like most of you have answered that, all of you, I mean, you have seen the 3D format, which is nothing but the replica of the physical expo on the virtual platform. But how is our platform going to be different? It's a very, very straightforward, a business B2B matchmaking platform which serves all your business objectives. So right from connecting to your qualified buyers to connecting, having a one-on-one video meeting, all those objectives, like how Divya mentioned just before I took over, all those objectives are achieved on this platform. So we have kept it very, very simple and very, very straightforward, trying to achieve as many as business objectives like that you would otherwise achieve on a trade expo. So before we enter into this platform, there is a small form, registration form, which we generally fill for any kind of exhibition. So there is a registration form which is captured by the exhibitors and as well as on the visitor side. So when you as an exhibitor fill the form, your business interest is captured. Like what kind of trade buyers would you like to interact? At the form level itself, those your requirements are captured. Similarly, for the visitors, we ask them questions like which products are of interest, what is their profile, what is their business nature. So while we collect all this information, the system, the Tech Textile virtual platform, or in this case, Acma Automechanica, it is backed up by an artificial intelligence, which connects the buyers with the right kind of sellers and vice versa. So the moment you enter the platform, there are already certain recommendations which the system throws on you. I will show you exactly how that works, but that is the main USP of our platform. It is an exact, like an appropriate business business matchmaking platform. This is the homepage of the platform. Like you can see, it is a very, very straightforward business platform. In this case, we would have Tech Textile, of course. The first tab that we could see that there are multiple tabs that we have created. The first one is find products, contact exhibitors, search attendees, attend sessions. My event is a personalized dashboard or a briefcase for the visitors, and this is the organizers, help desk. I would take you to the contact exhibitors page. So when a visitor comes to a expo like this, he is sometimes very clear about which brand he wants to interact. So suppose he is sample is right listed over here. In case he's not aware about the brand, basically these are tags which the exhibitor has, used. So say for example, he is looking. So all the companies which are dealing in these product categories get open one of the company pages. You can see it is a very elaborate listing. Okay, the video is getting loaded over here. There is no restriction. You get unlimited listing. You can upload as much as information as you can, right from your video to your logo, to your company description, to your social media contacts, to your company contact details. You can have as much as up to 5 of your team members associated with your company page. So this is how an overall your company pages looks like. So you can also tag your company under multiple categories. So for TechTextile, we have about more than 200 plus categories. Whichever category, whichever products that you deal in, you can tag yourself under those relevant product categories. I would also show you one more company. And the best part here is that there is no dependency over here on the organizer side. You have a personalized, I will show you, you have a personalized exhibitor center, what we call, where you can upload all these details at your level. Nevertheless, there will be an entire BSU or tech team supporting from our side who will handhold you to upload up to 5 products. And beyond that, if there are more products, you can feel free to upload as much as content you feel like. So this is how you can upload your video. You can have your products added. Your social media links, and in case you deal in multiple products, your products can get uploaded over here. I will show you one of the product pages. The product images, again, the products are tagged under multiple categories. So this is how your product images can get uploaded. So like I said, again, there is no limit. You can keep uploading as much as content, as much as, whatever brochures, documents, any kind of details that you would like to upload, you can upload it. So moving to the find product section. Find product section is again the section where your products will be listed. You can see there are about more than, say, at this moment in time, again, when a visitor comes, if he has a very particular requirement or he is looking out for a particular kind of product, he can again use the filters at the left hand side. While he is navigating on the platform, like I said, it is backed up by artificial intelligence. The platform tracks your user behavior. The more you navigate, the better recommendations you will get on the platform. So this is how your product in general would look. So when I go down, you can have your product images. Again, you could have your brochures and any kind of information that you would like to update. Now, how is all of this done? Again, you don't have to be dependent on us. While we are there to support you, we'll be handholding you to update all these details. But each and every exhibitor will have a dedicated login to our and access to the exhibitor center. An exhibitor center is your personalized dashboard. Through this dashboard, you can upload all your documents, your images, videos, branding, completely everything can be managed at your level. So much so that even your team members. So say for example that you have 5 of your team members and each of the team member initiates or connects with about 20 of your customers. So all those contact bases or all those customer databases managed or maintained at your own dashboard. So like you can see, the first thing is analytics. Whenever we participate, we are always worried about that what kind of ROI am I going to get to this platform. So because it is digital, you at a very, right on your dashboard, you could see the analytics readily available. Like say, for example, you want to know how many views, how many people actually came to your company page. So in this case, there are about 316 views. So number of people who bookmarked your company. So when a visitor comes and sees your page, the action that he needs to take, if he's interested in your company, he will bookmark your company. Okay, that's one way of interaction or an engagement that a visitor does on your page. Then number of contacts your teammates have made. So like I said, 5 of your team members, each member makes 20, 30, 50, 100, as many as contacts he wants to make. All those contacts would appear here. Number of confirmed meetings. It's very important that after, like we all have a sales funnel back in office, like who are our businesses. So how many contacts were made, how many confirmed meetings, how many meetings were actually conducted. The complete funnel details at each level of that funnel would be available at your dashboard directly. So average scoring by your members and so on. These are very basic analytics which are available. I would show you how in detail other things can be managed. This is your company profile page. In case you wish to upload your video at any given point in time, you want to change or you want to run multiple videos in loop, even that is possible. Your documents, like any kind of brochures you have, any corporate brochures, product brochures, everything can be managed here. All your product details. Again, I'm saying the same thing that you can upload as much as content as you wish. The entire meetings can be managed here. So from your team members, one of them can be the admin, and he or she can allocate meetings to the other rest of the team members. So in the entire control, again, you can see the dashboard available here. Like how many meetings are confirmed, how many are cancelled, how many are declined. So these analytics come really handy when you know, at the end of your participation, when the event closes, when you really want to know that how effective was your participation at Tech16. So all these things will be really handy to, understand your ROI. Coming to your team members, here, this is the place where you manage your team members or keep adding your team members to your company. Okay, one important thing that I want to highlight over here is that whatever contacts, this is basically the visitor contacts or with the guys, whoever you have, connected or your team members have connected. So all that detail is available, and with a single click, like you can see, export all. With a single click, you can export all the visitor data. I mean, you can export it and use it for your future reference. So in case, even if the event closes, so you have this database that you have generated or these leads that you have generated for your after use. You can initiate a follow-up, you can have remarks to all the contacts made. So everything is right available at your dashboard. So this is about your personalized briefcase. Moving on, I will show you how would you get to interact with your customers, the actual customers. So you go to the search attendees tab. So when a visitor is actually registering for the event, like I said, there is a business interest captured at his form level 2. So based on his business interest and your whatever you have requirements that you have posted, there is a certain matchmaking, like I said, what happens at the platform level. So like you can see AI matches. These are the recommendations that the platform or the system or Tech16 would recommend you that these are the buyers you should interact or these are most relevant for your business. It's up to you. You can go check the profile. So, like you can see, say for example, I'm connected with one of my colleague over here. His profile, you can see his contact details and all the, what is his job title, whether he's relevant, not relevant, any kind of scoring. But there is a step in between. So I'm already connected. Say for example, you would like to meet a particular designation, like a CEO, founder, or proprietor of a company. Okay, so you can select those filters over here. All the relevant visitors can get filtered. So say for example, you are interested in Mr. Hemang Parekh. Now I am not connected to this gentleman over here. So till I don't send him a connection request, the database or his contact details would not be visible to me. There are two ways in which I can initiate a conversation or his contact details can be visible to me. One is, of course, I can send him a connection request. Second is I can send him a meeting request. The other party has to accept the connection request or the meeting request for us to exchange the contact details. So one of the key highlights here is that this is a two-way communication. Unlike in a physical expo where you actually wait back for the visitor to walk into your booth, here you can also go be proactive and go and approach the right kind of visitors. Send them the connection request, send them meeting request, and exchange your like how you exchange your business cards. You can exchange your contact details right on the platform. So this is how it works. But like I again would like to reiterate, you have to send out a connection request or the meeting request. This is purely because of the data security policy that you can exchange your contact details and your contact details are secure. Many times there are certain buyers who are actually coming to your booth to ask for business. In that case, this is how we at our level are filtering those visitors before they interact with you. So this is how the search attendees tab function. So also there is one more key feature here. So in case there is a particular job title, job function, any business nature, like for example, you're looking out for say cloth manufacturer. So if there is a manufacturer of cloth option available, you can select and you can filter those requirements. Okay. Now once you have connected with a particular attendee or a visitor or a customer, on the left hand side you can see there is a chat box. You can have a real-time interaction with this person either through chat or alternatively you can have a video call with them. For a video call, you need not get into a third-party platform. From the platform itself, from Tech16 Virtual itself, you can have an high HD, a full HD video call with your buyer. So these are some of the key features. Now, coming to the attend session sections, I will just show you one of the attend session section is basically 1 minute. So those of you who have participated with us in the last editions, you must be aware that there are a lot of fringe programs that we plan. So same thing is the attend session section. These are basically nothing but the fringe programs. Like we have different kinds of formats, like a panel discussion, maybe a live demo, which we extend the benefit to you. I will just show you one of our other events. So basically, this is also very beneficial in case you want to participate in any kind of live demos. So when I say live demos, that means either from your booth or from your factory, you can actually demonstrate your products to your customers. So while doing so, you can again address address the queries of your customers in real time. So I will just show you one of the examples which was done by. I'll just show it to you one second. So this was one of our exhibitor, which was Lahiri Buzz. So this is how the live demo takes place. He had actually demonstrated his product and his office to the attendees who had actually visited this expo. On the right hand side, you can see there was a live interaction that was taking place. So this is how he was demonstrating his product. On the right hand side, you can see there was a live discussion to address. The buyers were chatting, they were asking questions, there were polls, just like how we have it on a Zoom meeting. Again, this is like a direct pitch that you can make to your customers. This format proved extremely beneficial for us and for the exhibitors. At any given point in time, there were more than 100 attendees attending such kind of sessions, and it proved to be extremely engaging for the platform, for the exhibitors. So you can also get the list of attendees who are actually attending your sessions, and from there on, you can initiate your conversation. You can start connecting with those buyers, and tell them more about your company, direct them to your company page, show them your products. Everything can happen on the platform itself. So this was one of the formats. The other formats that we have conducted in the past for our events was the panel discussion, and so this. So So live demo was of course one of the formats, and this was another format which we had conducted where we had a panelist who were interacting and conducting a live session for the buyers. So these were multiple fringe programs, and for Tech Textile also we will be having a host of other programs. You could always come back to us, inquire, and let us know that how beneficial, like how would you like to use this platform to your benefit. Whether do you would like to have a live demo, do you want to have a workshop for your customers, whatever fits best. Okay. One more thing important that I would like to highlight is the branding opportunity. Like you can see at the right hand side, as of now, there is a banner uploaded for Messe Frankfurt. So this is the banner where we have certain prime spots that we'll be sharing it with you. In case you want to avail these branding opportunities, you can come back to us and we can share all these branding opportunities. Like I mentioned, one of the main USP of our platform is that we provide you an extended support right from your once you sign up with us. We have a tech team or a complete BSU who will be supporting you in uploading the details and helping you or consult. You can consult with us that how best can you use the platform. So we are completely available with you. Another important feature is that in case there is some kind of VIPs, so if there is an important buy, there will be certain mobile notifications which will be sent out to you so that you immediately know that okay, this buyer is online and you can initiate conversations with him. So that is also one of the key highlights which has proved to be beneficial. The entire what I showed you is the web console. The entire platform is also available as an mobile app. It is very convenient for you to pick up your mobile, whether you're using an Android or iOS. You can immediately pick up your phone, log on to the platform and start interaction. So there is no restrictions. So even for the visitors, if he has done, like I said, when he looks at your company pages, he can see that which are the companies that which were of interest. He will bookmark those companies. Similarly, if there are any kind of products which he would like to which is of interest, he can always add those products to his wish list, and that's how he will build his briefcase, his own schedule. So we are also making it very, very simpler for the visitor, so that he knows that exactly how to navigate and stuff like that. So even if he wants to export a schedule or sync it with his calendar, all those features are available for the visitors also. So like you can see over here, his schedule, his meetings, what kind of networking he has done, what kind of companies he has bookmarked, how has he built his wish list. So all these details for the visitors also, it's very handy and it's very readily available. Again, if he's stuck at any given point in time, so we are always live, helping both exhibitors and visitors and trying to connect, helping them connect with each other. So this is about the virtual platform. I hope you found it like easy and informative. I'm sure you must be having a lot of questions. I would be happy to address it once we finish off the presentation. So I would just move on with my presentation. I'm done with the virtual expo. Like I said, at the end, I would address all your queries in case if there are any. So moving on, before I get on to this slide and start letting you know that what are the other host of benefits that Tech16 India is going to offer, I would just try to run another small poll over here. I would request you to participate in the poll. Here it goes. We'll have 15 seconds. Request you to please participate in the poll. So wow, the numbers look really interesting. So most of you, yes, you all have an in-house marketing team. The reason why we put up this question is because we are really eager and excited to work with your marketing team together with us. So we have something more planned for you. That's not all. Like you will say, yes, we are participating in the physical show. You'll have a physical booth, and of course there is a virtual booth. There will be a showcase, but that's not all. We have a lot more to offer you. So along with your entire package, we are also going to extend certain marketing benefits to you. Like you can see, there are about that we have a very extensive marketing plan for Tech16, right from our direct mailing to emailers to digital marketing to trade journals, international promotions. Like they just referred that we have about our sales partners who are present across in 153 countries. So like a promotion is really extensive, and we'll be happy if we could co-brand your participation at Tech16 together. Like so, hence we ask that if you have a marketing team, you put together, get together and promote your participation at Tech16 across all these avenues. So this is one of the things. There are two new additions that we have made. Uh, Most importantly, we're really happy to launch the exhibitor marketing toolbox. So exhibitor marketing toolbox is nothing but we'll be giving an exclusive access to all our exhibitors to this marketing toolbox. Through this toolbox, you can customize different invites. You can actually have your logo, company name, booth number. That's a very simple and easy to use tool. You just have to upload your logo. Rest everything will be taken care by the toolbox itself. So right from your e-signatures, like you can see, like when you have a any mail going out of your inbox, you could have a small e-signature, mentioning about your booth number, your participation details at Tech16. Similarly, there is a WhatsApp invite. Using the portal itself, you can send out a WhatsApp invite, which will again carry your logo, booth number. From the portal itself, you can send it out to as many as contacts as you wish. Emailer, you can bulk email up to 500. You can send out about 5 emails to 500 contacts of yours. Again, you need not close a toolbox and get onto another platform and use it for bulk mailing. From the platform itself, with a very simple, with few clicks, you can send out an emailer. Social media posts. We are actually designing social media posts for you. You can again have your logo, your participation details, send it out to your customer. There is a content submission deck. Anything if you would like us to know about your product launches, innovation in our PR activities, in our marketing activities, please submit your details and we could use it and promote or bring your brand to the forefront. The two more exclusive highlights that we have in this toolbox is one of them is the exclusive registration link. Yes, you heard it right. We have an exclusive registration link with your logo. You could promote it to your customers. All the customers who are registering with using your link will have your name mentioned on their badge. So that is an added advantage. So imagine, about 100 people, carrying your name on their badge, and walking the show. It'll be such a great pride to see that. So that is about the exclusive registration link. You can circulate this registration link through all these media. So you will have your own registration link. Unlike that we, in a regular expo where we have just the show registration link, here you will have your personalized registration link. So, and the last one is the lead capture module. So we all are very curious, like what happens in today's, like in the past, in the traditional expos, a visitor walks in, we exchange cards, and then maybe the cards gets lost, or maybe we missed on an important, we couldn't write remark, and we face all that sort of problems. But in this case, the lead capture module makes it a lot easier for you. When a visitor walks in, all you need to use your mobile phone, scan the QR code which is there on his mobile, which is there on his badge, and the data gets saved in your exhibitor marketing toolbox. What happens is when the event is closed, you can add additional remarks. So you can, when the event is closed, you have access all your leads saved in one single dashboard for an easy follow-up, easy database management. So you will know exactly, again, coming back to the ROI point, when you're participating, you exactly want to know that how many leads were generated. If you have about 10 people on your booth, 10 people can, interact with 100 people and scan their badge and save their details. So again, it will be a very, very easy ROI calculation for you. So I would just hand over back to Divya, and Divya will give you more details about the packages and about the other details. Over to you, Divya.
Thank you so much, Sonam. I feel a lot more acquainted to this tool now. It seems very easy to use. And the VIP buyer coming in notification is my personal favorite. Great. So I would say, what are you waiting for? Book your booth now. So we begin your onboarding, like Sonam explained. There is lots to cover, and we want to be with you at each step of this journey. And we can start your promotions right away. Also, just have a look at the brands which have already, big brands which have already signed up with us. Around 50% of the show is already booked, and we are looking forward for more. Okay, now the session is open for any question and answers if you may have. You all can raise your hand and we'll be happy to answer. We'll unmute you and then we'll answer. And also don't worry, this entire presentation will be shared with you all later and for those who missed it as well.
Any kind of questions relating to the platform, or if you would like to see something in particular, or anything which you have not experienced or would like to, if like you all said that you have seen the 3D platform in the past. So anything if you would like to know, we'll be happy to help you. You can unmute yourself and please feel free to ask.
वही चीज तो बता रही है कि कैसे अप्रोच करना चाहिए साइट.
I'm sorry, sir, that is not very clear. Could you repeat your question again?
I think Mr. Jagdish Chopra, I think you have a question. Can you please repeat it? Like we couldn't get it.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Ma'am, actually, I want to know how to start interaction with the buyer initially.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
How to start interacting with buyer initially?
Initially on the platform, on the virtual expo. So like I showed you.
How we can start it?
So like I showed you, I'll just again reshare my screen. So when you go to the search attendees tab, there are certain, like I said, there are AI matches and there are certain other attendees or your visitors or your buyers, if you may say. If you want to initiate a conversation and if the person is not connected, like how on a LinkedIn would you do? You would send out a connection request with a message. So say for example, I would like to write to Mr. Guru that, hi, I'm interested to have a business conversation with you and send him a connection request. This is how you have a first level interaction with any of your buyers.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much.
No problem. Most welcome. Thank you.
Anyone else who has a question? We're going to share this presentation with you.
Yeah, this is Vivek. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I have a question, actually a couple of questions. One, for example, like how is our product showcased in the virtual platform? For example, it is going to be the images that we are going to upload through that it is showcased, or is there any kind of a 3D model of our products that is available, or how it is showcased? That's my first question.
Okay, just a minute. Let me again reshare my screen. So Your products are showcased in the Find Product section. You can have multiple images uploaded here. So like you can see, there will not be any kind of 3D representation. These are all 2D static images. In case you would like to have a 3D, if you want to have a live demonstration, like I said, you can take the benefit of those live product sessions, which I showed you in the attend session section, where you can actually demonstrate your products to your buyers. That will be really beneficial for you. You could have a complete view of your product, and you can actually show your facility to your buyers, as well as take the benefit of the live engagements that happen.
Okay, cool. And the next question from my side is, like, for example, in a physical exhibition, the visitor has a chance to travel around the hall and to view all the exhibitors. But what about in this virtual platform? So suppose if visitor who might be a prospect for us, if he is not clicking on our company, will there be a possibility for him to check out our company?
So, like I said, in the contact exhibitor sections, for a visitor, he has access to all these exhibitors. So there is an alphabetical listing, and there are certain premium titles which are actually a part of our branding opportunity. If you're carrying a premium title, of course your company would be listed at the top. Otherwise, the visitor has an access to the entire exhibitor list here. Okay, he can use the filters, he can go through the list, or if he has a particular brand name, he could keep in mind. But the best part here is that even if the visitor doesn't come to you, you can go ahead and approach him. So, like I said, in the search attendees, you have as an exhibitor have an access to all the visitors who are online, who are your matches, and who even if they are offline, their details are right mentioned here. You can always go to their profile, send them a connection request, and initiate a conversation. So, unlike a physical expo, you need not wait back for a visitor to approach you, but you can go ahead and approach the visitor.
Okay, so the filtering of the visitors, on what basis can we filter the visitors?
So here there are certain categories like I mentioned. Filtering of the visitors, if you could elaborate a little more.
Like, for example, what is his product of interest, or what is his field of business? So based on that.
Okay. So like I said, the first level of information, the business interest is captured at the form level itself. The more you will navigate on the platform, the better recommendations, which is backed up by artificial intelligence, would be thrown to you, which is at the first row that you can see here. In case you're not satisfied with those artificial intelligence, there is a filter option over here. If you have used any kind of e-commerce sites, say for example, Amazon, Nykaa, any of those sites, you have those similar filter options here. So in case you're wanting to meet any kind of, say this was an aftermarket show, in case you want to meet an agriculture manufacturer. So here, the moment you select the relevant business nature, in your case, if you want to meet a medical professional or you want to meet a garment manufacturer, so you can select those kind of business natures, the particular designation, and accordingly, all the filtered or refined list would appear here.
Got it. Thanks. Thank you.
Welcome.
Anyone else who has a question?
Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes. Hi, Shubham. Hi.
Hi. Okay, I want to ask what would be the, you mentioned this is going to be a physical as well as virtual show. So
Yes.
this both going to be happen on the same day?
So the physical expo, so for the physical expo, for the dates are 1st to 3rd of September, but the virtual will be
Yeah.
open 10 days in advance. So 10 days with the
Okay.
actual show dates, the platform will be live for the visitor. But for the exhibitors, the moment you sign up, we are actually opening up to you. We're opening up for you so that you can update your company details, product information. So it's technically going to be open as soon as possible, like as the moment you sign in. 3 months prior to the show, it will be open. You can update your details, and on those 3 days of the show event,
Okay.
you can actually have those live interaction. So like I said, you could set up meetings, and those meetings, the video calls, and all will happen during those 3 show days. And of course, after the 3rd of September, also the platform will be live for a few more days, so that you can download your whatever leads that you have captured on the platform.
So more or less, this virtual show will be planning to happen for like 2 to 3 months, correct? As I understood.
So it will be open, like I said, live for exhibitors and visitors for about 10 days. But for the exhibitors, 3 months in advance,
Okay.
the moment you sign in, we will give you an access. You can start uploading your details.
Okay. Right. So you mentioned that during the presentation that this website is much easily accessible on our mobile device. Correct.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
suppose, yeah. So this show is running on our mobile device, and
Yes.
we are not using our mobile device all the time. We have
Correct.
closed the window, like,
Yes.
and suppose then we will be showing online on your website. If suppose some customer ping us on the website, shall we going to get any notification on the mobile so that we have to be aware that somebody ping us like that?
Yes. So all kind of notifications, there is a bell icon here. So I've just clicked
Uh-huh.
it. Any kind of interaction at the same time, of course, you will get the notification on your mobile, on your web, as well as an email is sent to you that there is some buyer who's trying to connect
Immediately.
with you, or there is a video call planned, or your
Okay.
meeting is in progress, something of that sort. All that will be taken care. Also, one more important feature, in case you have signed up for a particular session, you want to attend any kind of panel discussion. So just before the 10 minutes prior to the session, you will get reminders on your mobile, again on your web, and an email will be sent to you.
Okay, it's like let's say it's like a WhatsApp thing that if somebody sending us the message, we will get a notification. Right?
Yes.
Immediate
Just that
notification. Right.
the only difference is that unlike on if a WhatsApp call rings, you get a ringer. Here there is just a silent notification which is sent to you. So there's no ring as such.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hello.
Yes, Ashna. Hi.
Yeah, hi. So my question is, how many of our team members from the sales team can have access to the portal at one time?
So the access can be to about 5 people, like I said. 5 people from your team access can be simultaneous. So there is no restriction on one person logged in, the other has to log out or something.
Mm-hmm.
This can be simultaneous, so the number of people is 5.
Okay, and we'll be able to share our business cards with the clients, right?
Yes, absolutely. So the moment, if say for example, I am a buyer and I'm approaching you, and if you think that my profile is relevant to your business, only when you accept, we will be able to exchange our contact details.
Okay, all right. So, all right. And in case the visitors do not visit our page, we will not be able to get their information like their email or contact?
No, in that case, like I said, the list is going to be live.
Right.
So there is an attendee tab. Like for this event, as of now, there are about 2,000 people who have already registered, and the event is not live as yet. So you can be proactive and start refining your list. You can identify your prospects, and you can start as an exhibitor, start approaching your buyers.
Okay, all right. And last question, we won't be having access to the portal before the exhibition begins, right? Before the first.
No. So you will be having, as an exhibitor, like I said, the moment you sign up, we are giving you an immediate access, and we are giving you a complete support from our side, so that you can comfortably upload your company details, product details, your team members, and all the back-end work, so that when a visitor comes live 10 days in advance, like 10 days before the show, he has all the ready details on the platform. He sees enough content to engage on the platform. And like I said, one important point, the more you navigate on the platform, the better there is a small, like a user behavior tracking that happens. And the system will throw better recommendations to you. So your buyer list will keep refining every time you navigate and use the platform.
All right. But will we be able to communicate with the buyers 10 days prior to the exhibition?
So, like I said, he will only be registered once the platform is live, like 10 days in advance. You will be able to again start building connections. But the meetings and everything will happen during those 3 days, the event days, from 1st to 3rd of September.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, I have one more question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, for example, for the meeting, is there any prefix duration? For example, 1 hour, a kind like that, or it is?
There are about 20 to 25 minutes slot that will be available. So when we'll be setting up those slots, and you can see about 30 minutes slot, 20-25 minutes slots would be available. With that, in case you want to extend, you can extend depending on your schedule. From our side, we want you to have as many as meetings as possible, so we have restricted the time to about 25 minutes.
Okay, and
To extend
from
it, up to you.
yeah, got it. Okay, so from our side, how many of our team members can attend a single meeting with a customer?
So from one window, one person. Like, sorry, one window, multiple people can. So at the time, it's not a group meeting, like there's no group meeting that can happen like how we are having at this moment in time. So for that, there is a completely different setup available, but it is more like a one-on-one personalized meeting. But if on your side there are 4 people and on the customer buyer side, if there are 3-4 people using the same window, then there is a group interaction which is possible.
Okay, so group interaction is possible, right?
Yeah,
Because some cases,
both the parties use single window, like a single window interaction is possible.
okay, because in some cases we do require, 1 or 2 of our team members or product managers to attend a meeting with a single customer. So in that case, we have a requirement on that.
So what we suggest is like we are, there was one of our experience that I would like to share. So you have 5 team members, okay? It is advisable that 5 of your team members, touch base with 5 different customers rather than interacting or initiating conversations with the same customer. With that, what happens? Even the customer gets or the buyer gets a little pissed off, and then he just decides not to interact with the company only. So this was what we faced in the past. So what we suggest is that if you have 5 team members, go ahead, interact with 5 different customers. That will be more beneficial and that will give you more leads. Or in case if you want to have from a single window, if you want to have a group meeting, you can.
Great, okay. And fine. And one more question is like, for example, you say that 10 days before the event, this platform will go live for the exhibitors, right? So for in that time, so we need to fix up a meeting with the customers, and the meetings is possible only on the event dates, or how it is like?
No, only on the event days. So like again, I think there's a little confusion here. The platform for the exhibitors is available for immediate access. So the platform is ready and you can start uploading. The moment you sign up, you can start uploading your content for the exhibitors. For the visitors, it will be live 10 days in advance. So about last week of, you could say about last week of August, we would make it live for the visitors to access it. So that when they come on the platform, they see a complete exhibitor page, they see enough of the products and they start engaging with you.
Okay, but the meetings will happen only on the event dates, right? So we need to schedule our meetings only on the event dates.
Okay, and there is one, yes, only on the event days. And there is also one more key highlight that I would, like to bring it up here. That we also, like the Tech Textile team also is organizing dedicated webinars. You can, inquire with Divya post the meeting. And we could have a dedicated webinar slot for your brands where you can again interact with your visitors or have any kind of demos or any kind of sales pitch before the event. So even that is possible. I think, Mr. Shubham, you have a question.
Sorry, no question from my side.
No
Thank you.
question. No problem. Hi, Ashna. I think you have a question.
No, no question from my side. Thank you.
Any other questions related to the platform? Or like I said that, we are very open to organize exclusive webinars for certain brands before the event. So you could start engaging with your buyers a lot before the actual event. So say, for example, in July, you could have a slot booked, and maybe in the month of May, you could have a slot booked where you could have a dedicated sales pitch. And if you want a particular kind of buyers only to attend or maybe have a closed door event, even that is, available. So you could always get in touch with Divya post the meeting and, she could help you with more details. So we have a lot of marketing, happening for the show and for the exhibitors. So in case of any confusion regarding the platform, regarding the exhibitor marketing toolbox, please feel free to, get in touch and please take full benefit of your participation. We want you to, make most of it and connect with your buyers locally, domestically, pan-India, internationally. So that's it. If any other questions are there, please let us know.
So there's one thing I'd like to say, that we know this platform works. It has worked in the past and it will work as well. It depends on you now how you want it to work for yourself. So make sure that whatever is available, you'll use it, and that's when you will see the benefits coming in.